Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you've already read by the title, yes, I'm gonna be showing you all my top 7 favorite black outfits. Basically they're not like my favorite because I have a lot of black outfits. These are like my comfortable black outfits that I usually wear. That's also gonna be a help for you because it's not more like out of your comfort zone. It's like something really stylish and really stunning. So you can also get these and you can pair it up in different ways. So let's begin with this video, and I hope you guys like any of my outfits that I have so that you can upgrade your wardrobe too. So let's begin with the video. Okay, so this one is my favorite. Okay, among all of these, this one is a crop top, a black crop top from Zara. It has these puffed black sleeves which are, sheer. And these, actually I got these for my 18th birthday, I guess. Yeah, these are so amazing. When you wear it, it looks even more amazing. Like, just see, it's so pretty. Yes, I love this top a lot. I can pair it up in a lot of different ways. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen that I've styled this top in many different ways. So yes, this is one of my favorite tops. Basically this is the only top, I guess, among all of these. Yes, all the others are like dresses. So yes, this was the first outfit. I absolutely love this, and this is from Zara. So the price of this top is a little bit on the high end. It's for 2,500, and trust me, the quality is really good. You can like use it for many years. You don't even have to like worry that it's gonna, tear easily. Like this sheer material, it's also really thick. It's not really thin that it's gonna just tear. So it's a really good quality. And yes, this was my first outfit. And moving on to my next black outfit, I have this. Yes, this dress. This is from Sim Shopping, and trust me, this is such a good material for such a cheap price. Yes, this is just for within 500 rupees, I think. Yes, this entire dress was within 500 rupees, and the quality is amazing. It has a really stretchy material for the bodycon dress, and it has puffed sleeves again. These are not sheer, these are fake. Yes, this gives a really, classy effect to the whole dress. You can pair it up with boots and it's gonna look amazing. As you can see me wearing it, it's so elegant. As you can see, it has a high neck and it has puff sleeves. And to see the length of the dress, you can see in this picture, this is how much the length of the dress is. And I'm gonna link as much as outfits I can find in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And especially on Sim, you can find really affordable, good quality outfits. Yes, I am a Sim influencer, and you can find my page on Sim. All of the outfits and all of the accessories and whatever is on my page there, it's all used by me, and then I'm sharing the review of those products on my page. So don't forget to download the Sim app for that. Yes, make sure you go through the app because you guys are gonna find a lot of amazing outfits. Trust me, this one, you can just see how good it looks, and the quality is also not bad at all. It's like superb. For me, it's amazing. So yes, this was my second outfit. You can see how cute it looks. So let's move on to the next outfit. This one's again from Sim, and the price is below 500 rupees. And the other top was 2,500. So you can see the difference between the brands, but the quality is amazing for this one too. So you can get this. And if you want a puff sleeve, you can wear it with a skirt too. Like you can just add a skirt underneath and you can create a completely different look. So I think this thing is really worth it. And you get this in 2 more colors, I guess. 3 more, 4 more. There are a lot of colors too. Like you have it in white, in maroon, in blue. Yes, you can go check this out on Sim. And moving on to my next outfit, I have this. This is completely like different from all the black outfits that I have. I think you guys have never seen me wearing this too, because it's been a while since I've wore this, and this is also among one of my favorite black outfits. My parents got this for me. I did not select this, and I absolutely love their choice because this is really good. This is from the brand called Chemistry. I'm sure you guys have heard of Chemistry. If you haven't, you can go check it out. It's also a really amazing brand, and I don't know the price of it. I'm gonna link it if I'm gonna find it. And let me wear this and show it to you in 3, 2, 1. So cute, as you can see. It looks so cute, and the length of this is again midi, so it comes until your knee. I'm a little tall, so probably it comes a little above the knee, so it's okay. It's really cute. Don't fall. It has this tie knot kind of detailing on the sleeves, and here you have a really thick elastic. So this is a really good outfit in total. The quality is amazing, and the look of this outfit is also completely amazing. So yes, moving on to my next black outfit. I have two black outfits. Actually they both are like same, but the one difference that both of them has, let me show. Both of these are like strappy black, you know, long body hugging dresses. Like these are both bodycon, and they look amazing. They have slits on either sides, and this one is the same. It just has floral print on it, so it gives a completely different vibe. As you can see, a plain one and a floral one, both of them look different, but both have the same exact pattern. Like this one has that perfect date night kind of look. As you can see, it looks so amazing. And this one has completely beachy vibes, as you can see. Yes, this is so elegant again. So this is black in color, and that's a benefit because you can wear this outside casually too. And if it was like a really light color and it had floral print on it, it would not be a night dress. So this is one big benefit of this dress, and both of these dresses are from H&M, and I think they costed about 1300, I'm not sure. So this is the length of the outfit, and it's pretty long. You can pair it up with, you know, different things. If you don't like to wear it just with the strap, but you don't want to wear a coat onto it, but you want to somewhat be comfortable with it, you can pair it up like this that I have done. Yes, I've just wore a top inside so that it looks a little bit different. You can see it looks good. You can wear it like this or you can wear it like that, depends on you. And yes, moving on to my next black outfit, I have this. This one, it's from Kendall and Kylie Forever 21. You can see these straps. It is so elegant. I absolutely love it. And this is a tiny black dress, like, you know, what did they say? A little black dress never goes wrong. So this is one of those dresses for me. It is gonna look amazing whenever you just can't decide what to wear. Just wear this and you can style it in so many different ways. This is like a lifesaver kind of dress, and it's totally worth it because the quality is really amazing. And you can see, as you can see, it looks so stunning. And it has a really tight underlining cloth here, so that you can just go braless. You can wear it like this. It's gonna look amazing. As you can see, it has Kendall and Kylie written on its strap. I've told it a lot of times, I'm not gonna say it again. That's my favorite part of this dress, guys. Even though it's not even visible properly, it's my favorite part of this dress. As you can see, I have wore this with the Zara top that I showed you in the beginning, and you can see it looks like a complete outfit. That's how you style your clothes. Yes, this was not my last outfit. This was the second last outfit. I have one more outfit to show you all. And this one, I think it's out of stock or something, but I don't know, I'm not sure. If I find it on Forever 21's website, I'm gonna link it. So yes, this one is a pretty black dress. You can always have a tiny black dress handy with you in your wardrobe. Even though you don't have many varieties of black outfits, you should definitely have one black frock which is tiny, because it's just gonna, it's just good sense. Just have it in your wardrobe, guys. Actually, I have two more outfits to show you all. This one is from Triple S. I have showed it in my Triple S haul video, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this dress, how it looks. I have created so many reels with it, and it's like my comfort black outfit. like literally. It's just so amazing. You can see this looks so pretty. This is my favorite. Again, I'm saying everything is my favorite. I just love this box neckline because it's like my favorite. I love it compared to any other neckline, and that is what attracted me to this dress a lot. It's super cute. It's again a mini black dress, you know. It's just not strapless, so you don't have like a lot of ways to like pair it with stuff, but again it's really cute, and you have seen me wear this a lot of times, guys. I think you guys have just gotten bored seeing me in this outfit, but I don't care. This is just such an amazing outfit, and a lot of you guys have DM'd me asking me where did I get this, even though I have made YouTube videos on this outfit. So please go check out Triple S. It also has a similar kind of dress with opaque sleeves, so you can choose that. Both are like for 500-600. So yes, this is my second last outfit. The last outfit that I'm going to show you all, again, you have seen it in my reels, I hope so. It was in my Touch It remix reel. I was making that reel for Simsim, and it is a really amazing dress. It's not at all bad in quality, and you can pair it up in so many different ways. I've shown it in a reel. You can see, yes, you can pair it up in really different ways. This is the dress. Everything is black, so you can just make out all the differences. But then I did show you a polka dot black dress, and I also showed you a floral black dress, so they were a little bit different, and you know, the necklines and everything is different of every single outfit. It just stands out, and that's what makes the dress amazing. I have a lot of other black outfits that is, you know, like backless, like a little bit back open, and a wraparound dress and everything. So if you want a part 2 of this video, I can make that too, but I did not include those because I think that will be a little bit, you know, out of comfort zone for some of y'all. So I just wanted to keep this video short so that I can make a part 2, because I know I'm not gonna get enough of all these black outfits. So do comment down if you want a part 2. So this is the last outfit, and let me wear it on. So this one is again cute. It has a ruffle sleeve till the elbow. You can see it's opaque till the knee, and it's transparent below the knee. So that's how this dress is made. It actually gives me some kind of senorita vibes, you know. It's that kind of an outfit. So I like this outfit too. So I have all of these black outfits, and I hope you liked at least one among these, and it helped you to find your perfect black outfit that you're looking for some special event or just for a casual purchase for your wardrobe. So yes, this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want me to make more such videos and part 2 of this video, whatever kind of videos you want me to make, if you guys want to see any entertainment related videos, you can even comment down that, because I have not made any video related to entertainment, like, you know, vlogs or, you know, pranks or anything like that from a long time. So if you guys are willing to watch anything like that, comment down, and yes, do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Also don't forget to hit the like button, and meet you all soon in my next video, guys. Till then, stay tuned on my channel and meet you guys soon.